Hello guys, in the previous video we covered Python for loop. Now in the today's video we are going to cover Python while loop. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator. Then as per our steps, launch Jupyter Notebook, go to desktop, inside this Python folder create new file, that is while loop in Python. So how you can write while loop? So you have to write down something like this: x is equal to 1, then while x is less than 3, print x. If you write this, and at the end of day you must have to write down, just stop this. Okay, then just copy and reprint this. Okay, while, oops, again sorry, yes, then you have to write down x is equal to x plus 1. So if you run this program, then you will get 1 2. Why? Let's check that program using compile and mind. So I'm opening my whiteboard. So we are writing this program. Now inside this program, let's create x is equal to 1, that is x value is 1, this is true. Then create condition while. So this is my while condition. What is the condition? X is less than 3. Okay, what is my currently x value? X value is 1, so 1 is less than 3. It is true? Yes. If it is true, then go inside. So inside they told us print x. So how you can use print x? My x value is 1. So suppose this is my output screen, this is my monitor, so my x will get print, that is 1. After that they are saying x is equal to x plus 1, so my x will become 2. And after that I will again check the condition, I will again come to the while condition. So I have to check now, 2 is less than 3, it is true, yes it is true. Then again go inside, then print x value, so x value is true, and again make x is equal to x plus 1, that is my x value is 3. Now again check while condition, but the problem is in this condition, that is 3 is less than 3, it become false. That's why we can't go inside, and our while loop will get ended and we get 1 and 2 as our output. If you check that, we get 1 and 2. If you use break statement, so how you can use break statement? Inside the print, if you write something like this, if, and I'm increasing the value, for example x is greater than 5, if x equal to 3, then break. So what will happen? First x values become 1, so 1 will get print, 2 will get print, but when your x will become 3, then at time while loop will get terminated. So you only get 1 2 3 because you are printing the x value. If you write this print x inside this if condition, then only you will get output as a 1 2. So this is how break statement will work inside the while loop. Now if you want to use continue statement, then how you can use it? You just have to write down something like this, that is x is equal to x plus 1, and I am writing x is equal to 0. Then I have to check condition. If x equal to 3, then please continue, and inside the is I have to write down print x. If I run this program, then I will get 1 2 4 5. I will not get 3, because when this condition will get true, when x value is 3, then that will continue. That means while loop just skip that current iteration and again they will start the program. So this is how while loop and break statement will work in Python. The last but not least, how you can use else in while loop. Yes, you can use else statement in while loop. How you can use it? You just have to write down, suppose my x is equal to 1 while x is greater than 5, then you can write down something like this, that is print x, and after that I'm just ignoring this condition, then I have to make make sure that is x is equal to x plus 1, and after that I can write this else print, that is while loop end. If I run this, then you can get that 1 2 3 4 will get printed, and at last while loop will end. So else statement is used when your while loop will completed. So guys, this is how you can integrate while loop in Python. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates. Thank you.